Hello, I'm excited to show you another AI tool, and this one is also free, and it's a little bit different. It's called Mizou, and it is a French company, and it made me think of, University of Missouri at first, which is totally pronounced differently. But this tool is really exciting because it creates a chatbot experience for your students. So they can message the tool, they can ask it questions. And what a lot of teachers have been doing and using this tool is they've set it up to where it's like an educational game or the students are on a quest and the AI chatbot can help the students study, to hone their knowledge, to get that formative assessment without the teacher driving and leading all those activities. So you can set this up as a station. And then maybe when you're doing some direct instruction and remediation, this is something that students can do. So you can be teaching in multiple places at once without you having to be leading all those different sessions and sections of your class. So you'll want to go through and make your account. It is totally free. And what I like to do is actually get inspiration from other teachers. So on the Explore page on Mizou, you can see all the different chatbots that have already been created. You can filter them by your grade level and content area if you would like. You can also make your own chatbot. So that's what all of these teachers have done. But I like to pull through and use an example if I can. So this one's a really cool one. This investment adventure, it helps students kind of understand how they can be spending their money and balancing their wealth and all of those different things, and how spending money on certain things might affect long-term outcomes. And it's set the chatbot on this has been trained to give it very like fun, creative, adventure type of responses. So it's not just like a very bland response whenever students type out a question. A Pharaoh journey, all different kinds of ones on here. So I'm going to select this Math Quest one. And if you see one that you like, you can try it out so you can get a feel for what it's like leading one of these activities. And here we go. So it says, "Welcome, Math Night. Are you ready to embark on the math quest?" So this is where I respond and I say yes. You can see what it does. And it's been trained to give me a series of problems or prompts that I have to answer. So this could totally be a group work activity. It does not need to be individual. Maybe one student has it pulled up and the others are working together. And here we go. It gives me some examples here. Let's see if I type in something wrong, what it says. It's got to think on that. All right, so this one is just doing basic math facts, but some of the other ones will guide you through some questions. It could give you feedback in a more positive way on an essay if students are typing in those pieces. So if you really like this one and you want to use it, or if you find one that you like, you can share it with someone else so maybe they can borrow it, or you can add it to your workspace. And that's where you can customize it and make it your own and go further. If you want to see more ideas, you can do Explore. Security here kind of tells you some of the pieces on here as well, and how you can book some of the paid features if you would like, because they are going to start making some paid things. They haven't talked about a deadline on that or what the pricing is going to be, but it is free for now. But it's just a really amazing tool that I thought I would share. It gives your student the opportunity to interact with AI in a very safe, moderated way, and allows you to kind of give your students tutoring help and assistance and practice without bogging up your time, so you can spend it helping students in other ways as well. So check out this tool. It's called Mizou, and I hope you enjoy it.